How we deleted over 28 collections in 15 days, and you can too, whether you have a charge off, bankruptcy, student loan, repossession, eviction, it don't matter what you have, child support, it can come off in the next 15 days, and we're gonna show you step by step. So if you didn't know, the CRAs, which is the consumer reporting agencies, have an exact procedure they have to follow. And if they don't follow it, we need to document the process, and then eventually we're gonna hold them accountable. So what you need to do is go grab your credit Bible, because what we're about to do is go to Psalms chapter, we're gonna go to 15 USC 1681I, and we're gonna go ahead and read verse 1. So go ahead, grab your Bible, credit Bible, and I'm basically gonna read this procedure that they have to follow. And if they don't follow this, it's us to document the process so we can go ahead and knock them out real quick. So go grab your credit Bible and let me read this verse real quick. Let me get into it. So 15 USC 1681I 611, procedure in case of disputed accuracy, right? Reinvestigation of disputed information, reinvestigation required. Keyword required, right? In general, subject to subsection F, and except as provided in subsection G, if the completeness of accuracy of any item of information contained on a consumer file at a consumer reporting agency is disputed by the consumer, right? And the consumer notifies the agency directly or indirectly through a reseller of such dispute, the agency shall, that's a key word, shall, right? Free of charge, conduct a reasonable and reinvestigation to determine whether the disputed information is inaccurate and record the current status of the disputed information. Remember, they're supposed to record it as well, which means in the comment section, they're supposed to say account is in dispute. Most of the time they don't. Or delete that item from the file in accordance with paragraph 5 before the end of the 30-day period beginning on a day in which the agency receives the notice of dispute from the consumer or reseller. So what does that mean for you? So here's what's supposed to happen. You sent your letter in to the CRAs, which is Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Once you sent your letter into the CRAs, they're supposed to do a complete investigation. What that means is they're supposed to update in the notes that these accounts are in dispute. And also they're supposed to make sure everything is 100% accurate. They need to update and modify anything they need to modify. They need to update what they need to update. They need to delete what they need to delete if they can't verify the information, right? However, if you didn't receive your investigation back in the 30 days that they're entitled to, I'm gonna show you exactly step by step on what you need to do to hold the credit bureaus accountable so you can knock them out real quick. So let me get into it on the computer and show you what you need to do. So here's what you need to do. We need to go to the CFPB, right? We're going to submit a complaint. So what we want to do is document, because we want to have everything documented. So we're going to go to credit reporting, right? If you have a credit account, go ahead and create an account. But if you already have an account, just go to credit reporting, and you're going to go to credit reporting again. And then you're going to go click on next. And then once you click on next, here's what's supposed to populate. Now, you're going to go ahead, problem with a credit reporting company investigation into an existing problem. Investigation took more than 30 days. And then you're going to go ahead and click on next. And you have to try to fix this problem. And you're going to go ahead and put right here. So I already created something, and then put this kind of same exact thing, or put it in the description or the same, but don't copy it word for word. Put what you need to put in there, but just basically say, I sent the letter to Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. I'm just saying October 1st, 2022. It's been well over 30 days. I still haven't received anything back. According to 15 USC, right? According to 15 USC 1681 A1A verse apply, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax have 30 days to respond to my dispute. This is a violation of my rights. Now, you can add some more stuff on there. You can publish it if you want to publish it. But what would be a fair resolution to this issue? You would say, delete these accounts, delete every single account. Delete every single account. And then you want to go ahead and put the letter right there, right? The documents. Now, if you certified it, put the certified right here. If you certified it, put the certified number, the tracking number that you have, put it right there. And if you did it, that's okay, right? And then you want to go ahead and upload the documents, your letter that you sent off a month ago, and go ahead and attach the file. Now, once you do that, you're going to click on next. And what's supposed to happen is you want to go ahead and put experience. You want to put experience. And then you want to go ahead and look for experience, consumer information, let me see, experience, information solution. And then you want to click on social, date of birth, name as appears. Now, if you have a problem putting your social in, go ahead and uncheck it if you need to uncheck it. But make sure you have your name and date of birth, right? And as the date of birth don't work too, go ahead and check, but at least have your name, right? And then you put your personal information, and then you want to go ahead and put yes. And you're going to look for Equifax. Equifax Information Services, and you want to click on yes. I've tried this. You want to go ahead and put social, date of birth, name as it appears on your credit report. You want to put all your information in, and then yes, I tried. And then you're going to go ahead and click on what you need to click on, which is TransUnion, right? And then you want to click on TransUnion. I usually click on this one. And then, yes, I try to fix this, put social, date of birth, name as it appears on your credit report. Then go ahead and put personal information. Put your personal information in right here. And you're going to click on next. So once you click next at the bottom, your personal information should be already filled out. Just review it, check over it. However, one of the questions I always get is, what do I do? How do I remove my hard inquiries if TransUnion, Experian, Equifax don't want to remove it? So I got an exact procedure on what you need to do. I want you to watch that video right there. Once you watch this video, I'm basically going to break down what you need to do step by step by step on how to remove all those hard inquiries off your credit report. So go ahead and watch this video right here.